Good morning and welcome to the new Career and Technical Center here at Riverside High School.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
We have 11 programs of study here, ranging from culinary arts, cosmetology, to automotive, auto collision.
And then add both numbers.
We have video gaming design, real estate, teacher prep. I know I'm missing quite a bit, but these 11 programs of study, they offer a certification, so when our kids graduate, they're going to be career ready with a certification. And also we do have our architectural design program, which is also tied into a dual credit program where they can earn an associate's if they choose to continue that route.
Here we're able to create machine components. We're able to go into very fine detail, do it at a fast pace. So before, you would have to create all of the different notches in a gear by hand. And now we're doing it in less than a minute, which is really great and revolutionary.
It makes me so proud to have been part of this team to bring this CTE Center. I have no doubt that it'll open up a new world of career opportunities for generations of students to come. It's what we do at Riverside High School. We welcome everyone, we embrace everyone. We take that motto as "Estás en tu casa," and YISD, we embrace everybody.
We have also remodeled the existing 36,000 square foot Building D to accommodate auto and diesel technology, electrical trades, auto collision, and welding programs. Research has shown that students who have completed at least 2 CTE courses graduate at a rate of about 95%. That's nearly 10% higher than the average.
These are injectors.
Most of these jobs that they can go into, let's say for example, diesel mechanic, right now they're paying pretty well per hour. So a lot of our kids that graduate with a certification or license can already start working post-graduation.